Let's see how to insert microscope symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, the first step we want to do is click on the Insert tab. And right here, click on Symbol. Now, click on More Symbols. And that should open this window where you can access all of these different symbols. Now, change the font to Segoe UI Symbol. This one. And change the subset to the extended characters, plain one. And simply scroll down until you find your microscope. And it should be this one right here, which says microscope. And you can also see the character code, which you can use to type into your document. Now let's go ahead and insert our microscope by clicking on Insert right here. And as you can see, we now have our microscope symbol right there. And if you find that method too much of a hassle, you can also type in the code, just like what I mentioned, 1F52C, and click Alt X on your keyboard, and that should also transform into the microscope symbol. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.